Today we will discuss about two topics, estimated quotient and word problems on division. Let us first discuss estimated quotient. In estimated quotient, we have to find the quotient of a division problem after estimating the numbers to its nearest place. Suppose the question is find the estimated quotient of number A 80 divided by 18. Okay. So first we will estimate the numbers, both the dividend and divisor. Here dividend is 80, divisor is 18. So 80 estimated to what number? To its nearest 10 place, it is already in estimated 80, and 18 estimated to see its one place. There are two places, 1 and 10. We have to estimate the number to its 10 place. So see the one place digit, and this one place digit is 8 greater than 5. So the 10 place digit will be increased by 1, 2, and 1 place digit will be 0. So 18 estimated to 20. Now the problems become 80 divided by 20. We can find it easily, cut down the zeros. So the problems become 8 divided 2, which is 4. And this is the estimated quotient. Okay. So first we have to estimate the numbers to its nearest place and then divide. Another example, suppose 98 is to be divided by 17. So here first we have to estimate the number 98 estimated to what number? Here is 98, see the 10 place and 1 place digit. Here is 10 place 9, 1 place is 8. 1 place digit is greater than 5, so 10 place digit will increase by 1 and it become 10. 1 place digit become 0, 100. Now 17 estimated to, here also see the 1 place digit which is 7 greater than 5, so 10 place digit will increase by 1, so it become 2, other digit 0. So the now problems become 100 divided by 20. Let us find, we can cut the zeros and zeros from the right. So the problem become 10 divided 2, result is 5, which is estimated quotient. Okay. Coming to another problem, suppose C number 62 divided by 15. So here 62 estimated to what number? Here 10 place digit 6, 1 place digit is 2. See the 1 place digit 2 less than 5. So there will be no change in 10 place digit, it remains 6, but 1 place digit become 0. So 62 estimated to 60. Now 15 estimated to, here 10 place digit is 1, 1 place digit is 5, exactly 5. So 10 place digit will increase by 1, so 1 become 2, another digit 0. So the problems now become 60 divided by 20. Cut the zeros from right. 6 divided by 2, 3. This is the estimated quotient. Okay. Let us take another example, number D. 255 divided by 25. So here 255 estimated 2. Here 1 place, 10 place, 100 place. We will estimate the number to its nearest, which is maximum to 100 place. So estimate the number to its 100 place. So we have to check the 10 place digit, next digit. Here is 2, next digit is 5, exactly 5. So 100 place digit will increase by 1, it become 3. 100 place digit become 3, other 2 digit 0, 0. So 255 become 300. Now 25 has only 2 places. See the next place after highest place, that is 1 place, exactly 5. So 25 become 30. So the division problem become 300 divided by 30. Cut down the 0, 0. 30 divided 3. 3 10 is 30. So this become the estimated quotient. Let us take another example. Suppose the number is 3248 divided by 28. Okay, so here 4 places, highest is 1000 place. This is 100, 10, ones. 4 places are there. We will estimate to its nearest 1000. Highest place is 1000. So see the 100 place digit. 100 place digit is 2, less than 5. So 3248 estimated 2. 100 place digit is less than 5, so 1000 place digit will be no change, 3. Others digit, other 3 digit will 0, 0, 0, 0, 3000. And 28 estimated 2. See the 1 place digit is 8, greater than 5, so 10 place highest digit will increase by 1, 3, another digit 0, 30. So now the problems become 3000 divided by 30. Cut down these zeros. So 300 by 3, it becomes 100. This is the estimated quotient. Okay, so in this way we can estimate the division problem and we can find the estimated quotient. Let us now come to the next topic, word problems on division. In word problems you have to first read out the question carefully and then decide which operation will be there. Suppose this is the problem number 1. There are 25 sections in a school. The number of students in that school is 1025. If there are equal numbers of students in each section, find the number of students in one section. So first let us note down the total number of students. This is 1025 and number of section equal to 25. We have to find out the number of students in each section, where it is given that equal number of students in each sections. There are equal number of students in each section. So you have to divide this 1025 students in 25 sections equally. So number of students in each section, students in one section, that will be 1025 divided by 25. Now let us divide and find out. By 25 we will divide 1025. Take 2 digit, not possible to divide, so take 3 digit, 102. 25 4 ja 100, 25 5 ja 125, so by 4 100. Subtract we get 2, next take the digit 5, 25. 25 1 ja 25. So the answer we get 41. So this number of students are in each section. Coming to the next problem, problem number 2. The cost of 15 bicycle is rupees 24,405. We have to calculate, find the cost of one bicycle. So here it is given that 15 bicycles cost equal to rupees 24,405. So what will be the cost of one bicycle? Therefore one bicycle cost, normally it will decrease, and decrease will in same rate. So just we have to divide this rupees by 15. Rupees 24,405 divided by 15. Let us divide it. Take 2 digit, 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30. So 1 15, subtract 9. Take the next digit 4, 94. 15 6 ja 90, 15 7 ja 105. So 15 6 ja 90. Subtracting we get 4. Now take the next digit 0. 40 is the number. 15 2 ja 30, 15 3 ja 45, 15 2 ja 30. Subtract we get 10. Take the next digit 5. Now the number is 105. 15 7 ja 105. Division is completed and we get this is equal to rupees 1627. So one bicycle cost is rupees 1627. Coming to the next problem, number 3 is here. A train covers 5580 km in 36 hours. If the speed of the train is the same all through the journey, what is the speed in kilometers per hour? You have to find how many kilometer the train can cover in 1 hour. Per hour means in 1 hour. So here in 36 hours the train covers 5580 kilometer. Okay, so in 1 hour the train cover how many kilometer? It will decrease in same rate, so you have to divide 5580 divided by 36 this kilometer in 1 hour. Let us divide it by 36. We will divide 5580. Take 2 digit 55. 36 1 ja 36, 36 2 ja 72, 1 ja 36. Subtract 6 9 15, 1 word from here 1 19. Now take the next digit 8. 36 1 ja 36, you can make the table here. 36 1 36, 36 2 72, 36 3, 3 6 ja 18, 10, 108, 36 4 ja 144, 36 5 ja 5 6 ja 30, 5 3 ja 15 plus 3 18, 180, and 36 6 ja 6 6 ja 36, 216, which is greater than 198. So we will take this one by 5. It is 180. Subtract 8 1. Now take this 0. Again by 5 we get 180. Division is completed and quotient become 155. So this is equal to 155 kilometer. So what is the speed of the train? This kilometer per hour. In 1 hour we have got that 1 hour train covers 155 kilometer. Therefore you can write that the speed of the train is 155 kilometer per hour. That is our answer. Coming to another word problem, number 4. The product of two number is 4131. If one of the number is 27, find the other. So here is given product of two number, this one, and one of the number is given. We have to find the other number. To find the other number, we just have to divide the product by the number, one of the number. So here product equal to 4131 and one of the number equal to 27. To find the other number, therefore the other number equal to divide the product by the given number 27. Let us divide it by 27. 4131. Take the 2 digit 41. 27 1 ja 27, 27 2 ja 54. So 127. Subtract 4 1 14 3. Now make the table of 27 into 127. 27 into 2 multiplying by 2 we get 54. 27 into 3 it is 81. 27 into 4, 4 7 ja 28, 2 4 2 ja 2 8 10, 108. 27 5 ja 5 7 ja 35, 5 2 ja 10 plus 3 13, 135. 27 6 ja 6 7 ja 42, 6 2 ja 12 plus 4 16, 162, which is more than 143. So we will take this one by 5, we get 135. Now subtracting we get here 8, only 8. Now take the last digit 1, 81, and we get 27 3 ja 81, 27 3 ja 81. Division is completed and quotient become 153. So other number is become 153. This is your answer. Okay. So this was some problems on division. This type of problem, word problem, you can solve. Okay. So this was the total topics for today, and with this the chapter is completed here. Thank you, goodbye.